Hey Joel, you want to go to the dog park?
Want to go for a ride?
You want to go to the dog park? Take a ride to the dog park?
Want to go bye-bye?
Do you want to go for a ride? Yeah?
Let's go bye-bye.
You go for a ride? Come on, let's go for a ride. Come on, Millie, you want to go for a ride? Come on, Millie. Get in, Millie.
Come on, Millie, Mill.
Come on. Good girl.
Millie, it's
Millie
stinky.
farted.
Oh, Millie.
Stinky.
Woo.
Millie's happy to get out of the house.
Yeah.
Get away from them kids. You're really excited, aren't you? Ready?
Ready?
Come on, Millie. Oh, you need help?
Can't make it.
Come here, I'll help you. Oh! Yeah. Let's go smell some stuff. Run, Joel, run. I'll take one, please. Good boy. Oh! Joel drew all over the face.
Look at the back. This side, she doesn't feed enough on this side.
Her nipples
other
are
side.
huge.
But they're uneven. Look at them.
It's fine. Millie.
Okay, Millie.
What is it? Is there a friend out there? What is it? They don't want to come play with you. Not everybody has to play with you. Is that a frisbee? Look at it. I'm supposed to bring it back. Good boy. Get it. Good boy. Millie wants it. I found it. Oh, it's a frisbee. Chewed up frisbee. Ready? Go get it. Give me that frisbee. What are we digging? Did you have to step in it? Nice. Millie's catching smells.
Is anything good?
He's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
He's a good boy.
Let's go home.
Let her in. Get in, Millie.
Come on, Millie.
Good girl.
Did you have fun at the dog park? They're worn out.
She's
dirty. Ew, he just drooled all over.